Hey friends, now I'm going to speak about the first analysis of Nifty and Back Nifty and what all stocks you can trade tomorrow. Okay, so and what levels you need to watch out for in Nifty and Back Nifty tomorrow, that we'll be discussing here. Okay, so that so Nifty, I'm here at I'm using TradingView for analysis purpose. You can open a free account here. Okay, as I said in my last video, 18,000 is going to be a resistance for Nifty. And what happened today? This was the first candle. Please try to understand. This was the first candle for first 15 minutes. I have selected a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so when it was opened at, you can see it was opened at 17997 and it made a high of 18,011. Okay, so this was 18,011, it made a high. And as I said in last video, 18,000 is going to be resistance, because see, this was also, this was tested one time, that time also tested, and it was fell down. The same level today in first 15 minutes there was some selling in the market. Okay, so that it fell up to 17,850. Nice. It was like no one can do that. Everyone watches the market for last first 15 minutes. Very few people can get a trade here. If you are a like never track a trade up to 920. Okay, don't be in a hurry, because a long day to go up to 330. Okay, you can trade intraday. So never be a hurry to do make the trades, because in a hurry you should not, you'll be not able to make the proper decisions. Okay, so that 930 it was like 18,050. It was like the low was 17,841. Okay, then if you understand that, okay, if you understand, and I'll be like in my throughout the channel in my YouTube, in coming days also I'll be covering everything related to technical analysis and fundamental analysis. No need to go anywhere. You can learn from this channel, I promise this. Okay, but the learning videos will be coming in the weekend, and the analyze part will come in the weekdays. So if you are not aware, you can go Google somewhere and learn somewhere else this type of what I am talking. Okay, but ensure that you learn before you do your trade or something. Don't depend on anyone. That is my objective. Okay, so what happened here? This was like 15 minutes chart. This was the downtrend. Okay, it was sell like anything. Did you observe that there is a like this green candle? Okay, this green candle was like the green candle was responsible. ये ग्रीन कैंडल होके क्या पता हो गया कि द सेलिंग इज जस्ट halted in the market. So this candle was closed at 9:45. Red candle was 9:15 to 9:30, and the green candle says to traders that the Nifty is now, the selling pressure is now stopped for some time. Okay, so that you can now the decision selling more is not possible because of this green candle. Now you are not going to sell further because of this green candle. Okay, so now what you are doing going to do? So this green candle is becoming a decision taking candle. Simple. If you go mark the high and of low of the candle, green candle. Okay, so that you can take a decision accordingly. See, this was the high and this is the low. Okay, so the green candle low is the now the new support for Nifty for today, if you can say, because this point now it is a very strong support. If it breaks, we can break some more points in nifty. Okay, now as this is respected for next 45 minutes, now you are waiting for a buy or a sell, because this is your decision candle for today. Because it, why it is a decision candle for today? Because it halted the nifty downtrend. You will be agree with me? And then we have a level, we got the high and low for that candle. So now the high was broken at 11 a.m. It was like 11 a.m. it was broken. So you should look for a buy here. What has happened today? Okay, and you should stop here at the low, because this low is going to be your major support for the day. Okay, there was an excellent buy in this position, like this candle high 17,900. There was a buy with a stop loss of 17,830. You are taking a 70 point risk here. You are rewarded with a great move. The move comes, the moves comes of this candle. Because of this candle made the day for the traders today. Hope you understand. What are candlestick and all these things? If you want to know more on this, then be connected with me. Okay, but this type of analysis will help you. This was what happened. So what is tomorrow in nifty? If you ask me, then I'll tell you these things. As I said, 18,000 is going to be a like important level for nifty. Today it crossed it and is closing above 1850. So now the nifty levels will be like, the important level will be C, this one, this line. Again, now it will not go to 9,850. Okay. Now this 950 will become a support for it. Tomorrow you need to watch this area. This area is going to be the support for tomorrow. 950. Okay. So, and another area you need to check for the resist part is this area. These two levels you need to check out. Okay. So now you got a level here and a level here. This area will be tomorrow nifty area if all goes well. So it is not, we are talking here in daily chart, but always trade either in 5 minutes chart or 15 minutes chart in intraday. Never hurry to your trades. Okay, always keep a stop loss in the system if you want to survive more time in the market. Okay, so if I go to 5 minutes chart, what has happened here today? We'll check once. Okay, because trader used to trade with 5 minutes chart, as it told you last time. There was like some few traders use 5 minutes charts, some 15 minutes. Market is little bit volatile nowadays, so that people used 5 minutes chart. Okay, see easily how it was. Very trade this 5 minutes, 9:15 to 9:20, broken its low, you can have a short. You got these points. Again I told you, consolidation part came, then it run away. Right, very easy. If you can, if you goes to the trade, you should have a stop loss here. This one going to be, this is the important level. This level is going to be tested, not this week. This level, now if you are buy side, this position is going to be a stop loss, immediate stop loss. Okay, tomorrow this trend line, what is trend line, all this, the videos are going to be follow in coming weeks. Okay, so this trend line is going to be tested if nifty retraces some points. Okay, so that was for this nifty today. and we have to watch out for like this. Tomorrow the nifty is going to be like, watch out, I said already. So today high is going to be the first resistance for tomorrow. If it opens up above that, then you can look for a buy opportunity. Okay, today today low is one important part in nifty. Okay, so these things you need to be like, these things you need to be taking care tomorrow. So let's move to bank nifty. What was there today? So bank nifty today 15, it is again a wonderful day in bank nifty. Like trades, you can trade both ways. That is the thing, both in nifty and bank nifty, right? It is not that it is one sided. See, eighth bank nifty, what happened? 15 minute, a big candle breaks it low. Okay, sell it, you got some points, right? If 15 minutes low was 138.39, but you got it around 979, 932, like 100 points. If you are trading options, you'll be getting 30 to 40 points easily. But as it is gapped off, gapped down and coming down, you should always look for a reverse, because reverse trade with a small stop loss will give you more rewards. See, this is the candle is the decision making for today in bank nifty. Okay, because these are still not stable, right? This is the candle which is like one type of candle, that is we know, tell it as hammer. Okay, so how to trade the hammers? Okay, once the hammer is, you see this hammer, just mark the high of the hammer. Remember, just mark the high of the hammer. Okay, so the hammer high is 39,072. So market when closes about that hammer, this, see, to trap the, this was not closed, right? So the next one was closed. The hammer high was closed in this candle. So once you have to trade, make a trade here and put your stop loss here. Okay, so now you got the reward here. So this way it is moved. I'll come up very easy ways to trade bank nifty. I have that ready-made strategy, but before that I need to introduce many couple of indicators, couple of price action things to you people, so that you will be learn that strategy and trade the signals generated during intraday hours. Believe me, if you know that strategy, today you would have one, two buy and three sells. Sorry, two buy, sell, like that. Okay, see, this was a sell area. Wait for 7 to 10 days. This was a sale area. My strategy will give you, and this is your target. Again a buy, again your target. So this is possible. Okay, so that only allow me some days. I'll prepare the slowly. I am preparing the videos. Okay, it is very. It is a good experience for me to prepare the like videos for time. So bank nifty, what needs to be watch out tomorrow? That is the question right now. Let me go to that daily chat. Okay, as I said last time also, bank nifty, see, this way it will go, right? Again today it is tested this line. This line is going to be a support. The day till now this is protected. The trend line is not breaking. This line, it is not breaking. This is protected. Whenever comes to test this, buy with a small stop loss and expect some move. Okay, so now the bank nifty, again, see, this was the previous low. Now today make this low. Again a low, it should be like this. It should go like this, come back and go. So this way it will go. So that If you go to 5 minutes, it is very easy to, like, bank nifty is the best thing to trade. Okay, see, it is a like good pattern. The buyers overtake the sellers in this, fully consume the red candle, and then they here put your stop loss and go for a buy. That's it. Again, if it is a, like, I'll introduce couple of indicators so that you will be getting these things very well. This is a like pattern. Okay. Okay, what next? Which, like, which stocks needs to be traded tomorrow, right? So that we can trade tomorrow Hero Motors. Very tight range today. Very tight range. Range was open up above 2700 but fell down, and the range was like very tight range. 2670, 2790. The whole day goes in this way. So that, expecting a breakout or breakdown, how you can choose this? You can make it like this line, and this going above this, breaking above, it will goes off. Okay, go long, breaking this low, goes up. Okay, so keep the other part as your SL. The target will be the this side, like I guess it is 20 point side. Still waiting for tomorrow Hero Motors. Okay, and I'll go for Infi. Infi is in a good position also. If you go to daily chart, see, this is like a, the here what happened, the people, this price, the price was rejected here. The price is moving 1700, is now going to be a good support for Infi. So this is the line it should respect tomorrow also, and we will very soon see 1737, 1770 तक ये आराम से जाएगा, because this level it needs to test again 1770. I'm expecting tomorrow. Okay, 1770. And the best stocks of today, Bata, it is in a good momentum. I'll say again, this was like, it is a good momentum. When you, if you know the, like, the structure, this is a round bottom. If it breaks out, then already Bata I was like 2150 today. The 2150, the target has been achieved. We bought it for 2000, around 2000. Okay, so here if it breaks out, it is a good going Bata. So need to see that how it respects these levels, because it is at a important junction. Already our things, 2150 was our one of the target, and we achieved it. Now here we need to check out what is going to be, what can, how it behave here. Then we'll see to go buy it more or sell it. Okay, so the next thing you can check is that Adani Enterprises. See, Adani Enterprises again, there I personally feel that there will be some corrections. Okay, this 1570 is 70-80 range is going to be very important. Here it fell again, it came again, fell. This is coming. Let's see. This one going to be a testing point 1580. Remember, 1580 is today also, the high was 1575. 1570 to 1585 the testing point. This is going to be tested tomorrow again, 1585. Either it test again the same situation which I said in Nifty, sorry, Infosys, same thing is going, because it is a very important point. See how it reacted here. Again, if you see, one time went there, pull back, went there, pull back, went there, pull back. when they are pull back, can it break it above the price 1600? Can you see? That will be answer tomorrow. 1585 is an important mark, you need to check out in Adani Enterprises. And the last one you need to watch out for tomorrow is that Tata Steel. Again, Tata Steel, what is going on here? See, again, a like one of the thing, this trend line. If you are along on Tata Steel, you have a position. Keep this trend line as the stop loss. Okay, I will show you one thing. If you are okay, then trend line, this trend line, another trend line from this side need to be, Tata Steel need to go this way. See, again, I guess some couple of days consolidation, like it will not move much, and this triangle will complete and it will break out or break down. Remember, if Tata Steel breaks this, then will be better to exit your position and wait for again when you get a buy signal, or else what is expected, it will test your comeback, test your comeback, test your like this, or test your fell down. Because why remember, see, this is the high, then this is a bigger low, the again he try to, it is not move again. See, I am expecting, if it breaks this trend line, something 1200 is possible, or else if it breaks again, this Tata Steel is in a like junction point, right? We have to wait again Tata Steel with this trend line, what is happening. Let's see go to 15 minutes, what is happening in intraday in Tata Steel. Okay, so November 8 we are into same pattern. Today market was down everywhere, Nifty, Bank Nifty everywhere, then it will come back, then gone. So we have to watch out for tomorrow what levels in Tata Steel. This is a level we need to watch out. This is the level we need to watch out. 1350 psychological impact will be there, and 1300. I'll prefer to, like you don't have time to trade, sell 1300 put, sell 1350 call. If you know option well, you can adjust the trades in latter point of time before the expiry. So this one are going to be a like very much good support, 1310, 1300 psychological, and this 1350 is going to be a resistance again, I am saying you. Because see, rejections, 1349, I got a rejection. Here also it was rejected. So this is what we discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty, Hero Motors, Infosys, Tata Steel, Adani Enterprises. Okay. So let's see. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that we can learn together and earn together. Okay. Good night.